Welcome to another episode of The Parts Counter presented by Hot Bike Magazine, your source for personalizing your Harley-Davidson motorcycle with Harley-Davidson's genuine motorcycle parts and accessories. We're back at Thrashin's HQ in Moore Park, California, and we're excited to see the all-new forged carbon lineup that the guys are getting ready to install on their 2024 Road Glide. We're going to focus on the forged carbon front fender and the forged carbon console. The guys are all set and ready, so we're going to go inside and check it out. What's going on, guys?
What's going on?
How are you?
Good.
Good, good. Bike's looking good.
Yeah, man. We're really stoked on the progress that we've made on it, and we're really excited for what you brought today.
Yeah, so we're going to get into the forged carbon fender and the forged carbon center console. I think it's going to really break up the black and maybe even shed some weight.
Totally. Right when we were in the dealership getting this, and we've ridden the CVO STs, Juan has been saying, like, man, the carbon fiber fender on that bike looks so good.
It does.
We're excited to see the weight comparison.
Yeah, me too.
But also just aesthetically, it looks rad. It looks tough. Let's check it out. Nice and light.
Yeah, I like this pattern. It's very cool. I like it a lot.
That dash on the bike is steel. Front fender's steel. First things first, I want to take those parts off. I want to weigh them. I want to see what the difference in weight is. I think while the bike's down, let's hit the seat. Let's get the dash off.
Seat will be the easiest. Oh, actually this has the strap.
Gonna take a little bit of work.
Yeah, we'll get it. Just gotta take these bolts off. All right, now the strap should come off and the seat should come off.
Doing a great job, Juan. I'm always scared to work above the tank without a tank cover, but in this situation,
it should just lift right off.
Sure does.
There you go.
There we go.
That was easy.
To remove the front fender, I want to lift the bike so it's at eye level. This is the piece that I'm most excited for. This is the one that I think
it's gonna change the look of the bike.
Yeah, aesthetically from the side, it's just like a big deal.
Although I feel like this is already a better fender from the factory compared to the last generation.
Yeah.
The carbon is just gonna take it up a notch.
The fender itself is threaded, so there's not a nut on the inside, but we will need an Allen. There we go.
Just like that. Fender is out.
So right off the bat, if we compare like mounting locations, the front is at the exact same length, but the rear is definitely 6 to 8 inches shorter. Oh, it's definitely lighter.
Yeah, and it looks way cooler. Similar profile, I think it's a little bit sleeker.
This one you see all the rivets.
Yep.
And this is one smooth piece. So we're gonna do a little weight comparison. I'm gonna give us a little chart so we remember. This is the stock and this is the carbon stuff. Sorry for my writing. I've got the scale zeroed out. Go ahead and throw steel dash on. Looking at 1.5 pounds.
All right. It's kind of heavy. What do you think?
3 or 4 pounds. 4 pounds.
Ooh. 4 on the dot.
5.5 pounds total. All right. Does this save any weight? 1 pound. All right. Now this should be the part that saves a little bit more. 2 pounds even. So we dropped half the weight on that. So we're looking at 3 pounds in total for the carbon stuff.
That's almost half the weight. And these parts look way cooler, so.
Let's go throw them on so we can actually see how cool they look. Let's get it lined up. Looks good over here. Get the threads started. Now, those of you watching this, always refer back to your service manual for all torque settings, 16 to 20 foot-pounds. So that's what we're gonna do on this carbon front fender.
Okay, that one's good.
There we go.
Sweet. It's already looking a lot better.
The dash doesn't come off often, and you can see the dirt and debris from our previous rides. We might as well give it a fresh wipe down before we install this new one. Easy. One on two, easy.
You do the bottom one.
The lower screw, 35 to 62.
35 to 62 inch-pounds. All right, we got 60.
Looks great, and it's starting to even look better and better because now I'm like looking at the front fender into that.
It's looking real good. I'm excited to get the seat on and clean up the look. There you have it. Dang, that looks freaking clean, man. It really only took us like 20, 30 minutes.
Nice upgrades, weight savings, looks cool. Pretty happy with it. Thanks, dude.
Badass.
Let's get it.
This is the new dash, looks really good, forged carbon fiber. And then over here we have the new fender. Stuff looks great. I think it breaks it up aesthetically. It also shaves a little weight, so it's a win-win. Overall, it looks good, looks great on the black. So next time we're gonna get into audio. New speakers from Rockford Fosgate by Harley-Davidson for the fairing and for the saddlebag lids. We're gonna come back and let the guys install that, test it at highway speeds. Should pack a nice new punch.
That has got to be one of the loudest speaker systems I've personally ever heard on the bike.
Yeah, thanks.
We'll see you next time at the parts counter.